Here we go. Ah!
There's not many people that get to experience what I get to experience on the cheer team, and I'm like probably some little girl's like superhero.
High five! High five! High five!
As a cheerleader, I have the perfect opportunity to be that. So it's just, I'm so lucky to be able to have those experiences.
Let's go! Hawks West time! Let's go! Hawks! Here we go, UND!
Hi, I'm Renee Temple. I'm a kinesiology major and I'm from Alexandria, Virginia. I started cheer when I was in 8th grade and I've been doing it ever since. So I've been in kind of like that realm of sport for a long time. When I was learning exercise physiology, we were learning about, oh, this is what happens with your muscle fibers when you contract them. And I'm like, working out and doing my team lift, and I'm like, oh, like this is what's happening inside my body right now. And so being able to apply that into my life now, and by using the stuff that I learn in class, it's made a difference in how I'm able to continue pushing myself as an athlete. All the hands-on experience with the kinesiology programs and being involved in cheer and athletics, it's really added to my overall experience at UND. Working with Dr. Fitzgerald and my TA really made me realize how lucky we are as UND students to have them as our professors, because they really are teaching us what they do in real life. Seeing and being able to experience that real life application like connected the dots in my brain. I feel so fortunate that I'm able to go into spaces like that and use spaces like that when I'm able to, or like watch somebody else like in person in my class do it and they're like, oh yeah, this is what I feel. It makes you learn and better myself as an athlete and as a student.